This is either going to go really well or really bad, really fast. Because this is the sketchbook. I don't know if you can tell how tiny that is. Like, in comparison, literally, itty bitty. Oh boy. Hey guys! So welcome once again to Weekly Art Inspirations, your home of all things crazy, artistic, wishing you a good day. So today, for Weekly Art Inspiration, I'm going to be doing something kind of fun. I don't think this will be a very long video, honestly. It's because this is tiny. This is the sketchbook. When I say tiny sketchbook, guys, I am saying itty bitty. I mean, look at that. I mean, can we even... Yes, that is my fingernail in comparison, guys. Like this. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh shoot. But, so, to go along with that, back here I have my itty bitty pencil. Now, this is from Hobby Lobby. Let me turn so that's not there. The light is just in the wrong spot. So this is the itty bitty pencil. Once again, it cannot erase. That's the other thing too. This is a... There we go. This is a non-erasable little pencil, but it does write, which is what is so incredibly fun about that. I mean, look at that. I mean, in comparison, this is smaller than almost a toothpick. But I found this at Hobby Lobby. It is a doll set. You can get these at Hobby Lobby. They're little tiny books. They have, I gotta open it. They have legitimate little paper in there, and this pencil, this itty bitty little pencil that is falling through my fingers, does write. And so we are going to be doing, I thought it would just be kind of a little mini fun video to try out drawing with these two things. So yeah, we're just gonna go for it. I have no idea what will happen, but I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see in the comment section below or what you liked about this video. And remember, you guys are incredible. So let's get into it. Before we begin, I just wanted to do a little size comparison. So here is our mini sketchbook, which I'm trying to decide how I want to do this so you guys can see it a little bit better. It is absolutely tiny. The comparison is that sketchbook, so this is my current sketchbook at the moment. This speck over here is how big that is. This is literally itty bitty. Okay, so there's the comparison of that. And here's the comparison of the pencil. I mean, so yeah, when I say tiny, I am saying tiny, guys. So let's try and draw something fun with this. I might have to move some stuff around, but oh, to prove to you guys that it does work to draw, let me find, let's do just this little first page. Ready? Let's do, even to hold this is difficult. Let's see. You see that? I don't know if I have to go down. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's just so tiny. So we're gonna try, I'm gonna try drawing a wolf because that's what I usually draw. So like, it's gone. Where did it go? Found it. We're good, we're good, we're good. Ooh, and there's sand all over it from the painting with dirt. Anyways, so I'm gonna try drawing a wolf head, and I'll try drawing a woman's face or a fairy face, something like that. And we'll see what we can do with it. We'll see how it looks, but this is kind of just more of a fun video, so let's try and draw with this tiny thing. So it looks like things are going fine, but give it a few seconds and you'll see what happens. You know where the little pencil belongs? in the freaking trash. So we're changing up our I just dropped my piece of freaking graphite. Okay, we're gonna try a little piece of graphite, guys. So with that said, I went on to use a little piece of graphite that I used for my mechanical pencil, and it was a lot easier than using that pencil. I honestly thought it'd work, and it just didn't do what I thought it was gonna do. So, I went for doing this little drawing as, I don't even know, honestly it was more of just seeing if I could draw with it. It was kind of a monster creature beastie thingy, and I really actually had a lot of fun drawing in this little sketchbook. I mean, it's tiny, but it's really incredible what it can do and the different things that works with it. So yeah, it was really fun to do this little one. So after that, I did a little wolf running, I do a guy, I do the girl, I do a dragon, and so I did a lot of different little things, and I had a lot of fun doing them. I loved how things turned out, and it's definitely a really fun project to do. If you can find an itty-bitty sketchbook, or just try drawing with a piece of graphite, it's actually really, really fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that bell notification to stay up to date on the latest art inspirations. Remember, you guys are amazing. I love you guys. Please subscribe, let your friends know, share this video, and hope you guys like the other videos that I have coming up, and let me know in the comments below which one's been your favorite thus far. Stay